Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, Miss.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, hope you guys happy today, and don't forget to stay healthy in this COVID-19. Okay, before we start the learning today, let's pray first. Berdoa dalam hati aja ya. Oke, berdoa dimulai. Oke, berdoa selesai. Biar lebih afdol, let's get start the learning material by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, before I share the material for today, Miss mau absen dulu ya, kalian siapa aja yang udah hadir. If you are in this room, please stay present. But if you or your friend didn't come or don't come in this room today, if you know the reason, please let me know. Okay. Ayu Nur Fitri Dewi.
Present, Miss.
Nikmatul Zahra Firdausi.
Present, Miss.
Okay, Cynthia Nurlaini. Okay, di unmute please, Cynthia. If you want to say something, please unmute. Okay. Okay, Fitri Khairunisa. Where is Fitri Khairunisa? Does anybody know where Fitri Khairunisa? Nggak ada, dia nggak masuk ya hari ini. Oke, ini sudah memanggil nama kalian semua. Baiklah, kita langsung mulai ya pelajaran hari ini. But last meeting we already learn about this material. Ada yang masih ingat nggak kita kemarin belajar tentang apa di meeting sebelumnya? Ada yang masih ingat?
Lupa, Miss.
Oke, Cynthia kemarin di meeting sebelumnya nggak datang ya? Oke, mungkin Ayu atau Zara yang datang kemarin masih ingat kemarin belajar tentang apa?
Tentang recontext, Miss.
Oke,
Tentang recontext, Miss.
Okay, so for Cynthia, because you are didn't coming last meeting. Last meeting we are talking about recontext, and today we will continue to talking about recontext. Okay, let me share my screen first. Okay, does all of you already see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, already see my screen. Okay, gimana yang lain udah lihat belum screen Miss? Ayu, Zara, udah bisa lihat screen-nya Miss?
Miss.
Okay, Zara?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, in this second meeting, we will do review last meeting first before we go through to the next material about this material today. Okay, what we learned last meeting, first is introduction, second is generic structure, and the last point is about language character or language features of the context. Okay, can one of you please tell me or tell us, especially for Cynthia who didn't come last meeting, the introduction of the context. Okay, it's okay if you want to tell us in Indonesia. It's okay. You are allowed to speak Indonesia or mix. Oke, ada mungkin yang mau kasih tahu kita introduction atau definition dari recount text? Apa sih recount text?
Ini apa, menceritakan suatu kejadian yang pernah dialami
Oke, thank you
di masa
Zara.
lalu. Di masa lalu.
Oke, thank you Zara. Oke, bagaimana Cynthia? Kamu udah bisa, atau Cynthia sebelumnya udah pernah tahu belum tentang recount text itu apa? Kan nggak hadir kemarin. Nah, kemarin itu kita belajar tentang recount text. Cynthia, did you ever heard about the recount text itself?
Pernah, Miss.
What do you think or what do you know about the recount text? Please tell us.
Recount text is text that used to share experience
Okay.
and share hobby.
Okay.
And biography, maybe, Miss? Biography and recount text.
Biography, okay. Okay. Jadi Miss ulangi ya, introduction or the definition of recount text. So recount text is a text that share or tell audience the experience or the event or something happened in the past. In the recount text, it consists of who was involved, the place or the time the event is happened. Jadi recount text itu ini ya, teks yang menceritakan tentang kejadian yang sudah pernah terjadi atau pengalaman yang kalian rasakan, dan itu memuat siapa yang ada yang melakukan itu, terus juga memuat tempat kejadian dan juga waktu kejadian dan juga hal-hal yang kalian lakukan di pengalaman itu. Okay, the next point that we learned last meeting is about generic structure. Okay, does one of you still remember what is generic structure? Ada yang masih ingat nggak generic structure-nya? Jadi generic structure itu struktur bahasa yang biasanya terdapat dalam ini ya, dalam recount text.
Orientation bukan, Miss?
Oke, orientation. Ada lagi? Oh ya, jadi generic structure itu biasanya part yang terdapat dalam recount text ya. Kemarin itu ada 3 part. Apa tadi siapa? Ayu ya?
Iya, Miss.
Oke, orientation. Setelah orientation apa lagi?
Reorientation, Miss.
Oke, reorientation. Terus satu lagi. Zara mungkin mau melengkapi, tadi udah orientation, reorientation dari Cynthia. Terus satu lagi apa?
Oh, orientation, event, sama reorientation.
Oke. Jadi itu ya, ada 3 part or ada 3 poin consisting in a recount text. First is orientation, which is the introduction or background information that you want to share to your audience about your experience. Okay, the second one is event. Event is consists of every single thing that you do in your trip or in your experience itself. And the last one is reorientation. Reorientation is like a personal statement. For example, Cynthia, you have an experience went to Bali, and then you share your experience to your friends in classroom, and then you give your opinion or you give your personal statement about your own experience. The personal statement can be maybe a comment about the experience or something that you want to say in the end. For example, you are happy maybe, or you tell your friends you want to go there maybe. Okay, that's all is about reorientation. Okay, um, tadi yang kita bahas itu baru sampai generic structure ya. The last point about recount text is language character and atau language features of recount text. Okay, can one of you or some of you explain again what is language character or language features of recount text? Or can you give some example to re-memorize your memory? Ada yang masih ingat tentang language karakter dari recount text?
Nggak tahu, Miss.
Ini
Oke.
Miss,
Kalau Zara,
menggunakan past tense.
okay, using past tense.
Terus
Ayu, maybe you wanna add something?
Conjunction, Miss.
Okay, conjunction. Okay,
apa sih active verb?
kalau yang on Sunday, on Saturday itu masuk mana?
Time, maybe.
Riku, apa sih tadi tuh?
Okay, temporal sequence.
Lupa,
Ya.
Miss.
Okay. Okay, itu termasuk dalam temporal sequence. Terus yang terakhir tentang recount text itu usually using action verb. Usually using action verb. Terus satu lagi itu biasanya spesifik ya, spesifik to the writer itself. The subject is the writer. Okay. Cynthia, because you didn't come
Iya, Miss.
meeting, maybe after this you can check your friend note or you can ask your friend for the detail about of our last meeting. I will just explain in general. Okay, language character of the concept is consisting of using past tense or temporal sequence, action verbs, and conjunction. Using past tense is past tense, simple continuous, past continuous, and past perfect continuous tense. So why the context is using past tense? Because you tell your friends, or the context is telling the experience that happened in the past. Okay, Cynthia, where is Cynthia? Bentar, mana Cynthia ya? Mungkin connection-nya buruk kali ya. Oke. Oke, Cynthia mungkin buruk ya jaringannya. Kita tunggu Cynthia bentar ya, biar dia nggak ketinggalan pelajaran. Oke, Cynthia udah masuk lagi. Sebentar lagi connection. Okay. Cynthia, are you okay? Your connection?
Oke, Miss. Maaf.
Okay,
Tadi connection-nya tuh agak jelek.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. It's understandable. Oke, Miss ulangi yang language karakter ya. Tadi Miss jelaskan secara general. So language character is consisting of using past tense. Why the context is using past tense? Because the context is telling the story happened in the past, so it's supposed to be past tense. Okay, the second is using conjunction. Because you are telling the story or you are telling your experience, you have to put some conjunction to connect your sentence to another sentence. The example of conjunction itself is after that, maybe before, and then, and etc. Okay, the next point about language character is using action verbs. Because you are doing something in the past, so it's supposed to be using action verbs. For example, went or stayed or joined. Okay, and the last one is language character. The last one, the part of language character or language features is using temporal sequence. So this temporal sequence is menunjukkan waktu, tempat ya, menunjukkan waktu dan tempat kejadian itu, misalnya on Sunday or on Saturday, on Monday, or at night, at morning, in morning. Oke. Sampai sini ada pertanyaan dulu? Adik-adik? Cynthia, maybe do you have a special question before we move through to the next activity? No question?
No, Miss.
Okay, no question. Okay, today's activity. Okay, because last meeting I already asked you to make recontact. Did you guys bring your homework? Okay, udah bawa semua belum? Udah ya? Udah dibawa semua tugasnya?
Belum, Miss.
Okay, how about Ayu dan Zara? Udah dibawa belum tugasnya?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay, Zara? Zara?
Iya, Miss.
Oke, sudah dibawa tugas rumahnya atau PR-nya?
Iya, sudah, Miss.
Oke, tapi itu belum masuk ke penilaian Miss ya, itu hanya sebagai latihan kalian saja. Terima kasih sudah membawa. Oke, but today's activity is writing a recount text based on your experience. Nah, sekarang Miss minta kalian untuk membuat recount text berdasarkan experience-nya kalian ya. Experience itu memuat, nanti setelah kalian tulis recount text-nya itu, silahkan explain the text consists of the language character and generic structure. Tadi kan udah tahu tuh language character dan generic structure itu seperti apa. Oke, Miss kasih waktu sekitar 10 sampai 15 menit ya untuk membuat recount text. Oke, dimulai dari sekarang ya. Kalau misalnya ada yang mau ditanyain, ditanyain aja ke Miss ya. Oke. Jangan sampai ketiduran ya. Silahkan dibuat recount text-nya, terus yang membuat language character dan generic structure.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, ada yang sudah belum? Kalau belum, waktunya masih sekitar 10 menit.
Sudah, Miss.
Jangan lupa consist of language character and generic structure.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, sudah kita tunggu yang lain dulu ya.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke. Zara sudah? Sudah ya? Ayu? Have you done?
Sudah, Miss.
Ayu, have you done? Not yet?
Done, Miss.
Sudah. Oke. Cynthia juga sudah?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay. Okay, after you make your recount text, I want all of you to share your text to your friend. Okay, let's get started from Cynthia maybe. Please share your recount text to us. Dibacain aja Cynthia, nggak apa-apa.
Dibacain, Miss.
Ya, dibacain aja. Yang lainnya perhatikan
Oke.
ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Silakan Cynthia. You can, I hope you can share your experience in English, but it's okay if you want to mix in Indonesia. Tapi usahakan banyak pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, please Cynthia.
Okay, Miss. The title of my recount text is My Bad Experience When Buying Bread. When I was young, I had a terrible bad experience when I was buying some bread for breakfast. First, I think I had only 15 years old when my mom asked me to go a store to buy some bread for me. Then I went on to buy it. When I arrived at the store, I just realized that I had lost money on the way. I went to the store. I could not buy the bread I money on the way. I could not find it. Finally, I returned to my house again without the breakfast with bread. It is a very bad experience for a young child. Done, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Okay, next one is are you okay? Before we move to Ayu's story, can Cynthia tell us the language character and the generic structure of your story? Okay, which one is orientation and event and the orientation of your story?
Orientationnya yang paragraf pertama, Miss.
Oh, paragraf pertama yang ini ya, when you say
When I was young, I
you
had a terrible
bad
bad experience when sampai breakfast, Miss.
Okay, correct. Okay, the next one, event.
Yang eventnya itu yang paragraf kedua, yang first, I think I had only 15 years old sampai sampai yang ini, Miss. I could not find it.
Okay. Sebentar sebelum Cynthia lanjut, can Cynthia share your story or the context to WhatsApp group so then your friend also can see or can read? Maybe your friend cannot get your point. Bisa di grup bisa di-share di grup WhatsApp kelas ya. Sudah?
Ya, Miss. Okay.
Okay. So which one is the reorientation?
Reorientation itu yang finally, Miss. Yang terakhir.
Okay, finally I returned to my house again without the breakfast with bread. Okay. Miss kasih some comments ya of your explanation before we move to the language character. So, the first about the generic structure itu tadi sudah benar. First, when I was young until break for breakfast itu merupakan orientation. Untuk eventnya juga tadi udah benar, dimulai dari first, I think I had only 5 years old when my mom asked me to go to a store. But for the reorientation, like I explained before, reorientation is about personal statement or your comments about your experience. So, dari yang kamu kirim di grup ini lihat untuk reorientation itu dimulai dari it is a very bad experience for young child because finally I returned to my house again without the breakfast. Itu masih bagian dari event ya, because ada action verb di dalamnya. Oke, sampai sini paham Cynthia?
Paham, Miss.
Oke, tadi yang disampaikan untuk reorientation-nya dimulai dari mana? Untuk
Dari ya,
Cynthia. Okay, I guess
Dari
Cynthia.
when I was mean.
Okay. Oke. Jadi itu ya Cynthia ya, di orientation itu dimulai dari it is a very bad
Yeah, Miss.
experience ya. Okay. The next is about language character. Cynthia already explained about the generic structure of your text. Next one is language character. But before that, maybe your friends or Ayu or Zara wanna comment something about Cynthia's explanation about generic structure. Ayu atau Zara mungkin mau berkomentar tentang penjelasan Cynthia untuk generic structure-nya.
Tidak, Miss.
Ada. Okay. Move to next explanation from Cynthia about language character. So, which one of your text is consisting of past tense?
Mana, Miss?
Okay.
Gimana, Miss?
Dari teksnya Cynthia, mana yang merupakan past tense? Oke, yang lain juga bisa lihat ya, itu sudah Cynthia kirim di grup.
Yang when I was young, Miss.
Oke, when I was young. Yang past tense-nya di was ya, karena was itu merupakan satu dari am. Oke, selain itu Cynthia, mana yang merupakan past tense? Halo Cynthia.
Yang ini, Miss. I went on to buy it.
Oke. Oke, selain itu, oke.
Kenapa, Miss?
Selain itu, oke, itu udah cukup ya untuk menjadi contohnya. Terima kasih. Oke, itu untuk past tense-nya. What about the conjunction of your text? Yang mana aja yang merupakan kata penghubung dari teksmu, Cynthia?
And, Miss.
Oke, and. Oke, bagus. Ayu, kalau dari teksnya Cynthia, ada yang kamu lihat yang merupakan conjunction atau kata penghubungnya mungkin? Kata penghubungnya tadi itu bisa berupa and, then, dan sebagainya ya. Apa aja yang menjadi bagian dari kata penghubung itu sendiri. Oke, Ayu, udah lihat teksnya Cynthia?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke.
Kata penghubungnya
Yang mana?
first, then.
Oke,
First, then. Then.
Oke. Cukup.
Apalagi?
Terima kasih Ayu. That is a great example for the conjunction. Okay, Zara, maybe you want to add some conjunction from Cynthia's text, or itu sudah cukup dari yang disebutkan oleh dua temanmu? Zara? Okay, maybe she's in that. Okay, the next is Cynthia about temporal sequence. Temporal sequence tadi itu tentang ini ya, waktu atau tempat, waktu atau hari, misalnya on Sunday, on Saturday, or at night, in afternoon, gitu. Yang mana Cynthia yang merupakan temporal sequence dari teksmu?
Yang first, Miss.
Oke, terus?
First, I think I had. Terus yang when I arrive.
Oke,
And
terus?
finally, Miss.
Oke. Yang lain mungkin, do you guys have some comment to Cynthia's story about the temporal sequence? Oke, tadi udah benar ya. Apa namanya itu yang menunjukkan keterangan waktu atau hari. Oke, tapi yang jelaskan oleh Cynthia ini maybe next recount text you can add some specific temporal sequence, for example on Monday or on Saturday. Okay, the next one of the language character is at the action verb. Which one of your text is the action verb, Cynthia? Yang mana dari teksmu yang merupakan action
Ya,
verb?
Miss.
Ini terakhir dari language karaktermu itu ada yang namanya action verb. Nah, dari teks ini yang mana yang menurutmu merupakan action verb? Action verb itu misalnya when, say, kayak gitu-gitu ya, kata kerja yang mengharuskan kamu itu untuk bergerak. Yang mana sih ya?
Buying, Miss.
Oke, buying. Oke, terus?
When.
Oke, after that,
No.
I return. Itu masuk ke action verb nggak return?
Ya.
Oke.
Iya,
Jadi,
Miss.
oke. Benar ya. Thank you, Cynthia, for sharing your recount text. Okay, now is Ayu's turn. Silahkan Ayu. Mungkin teksnya bisa di-share dulu di grup, habis itu Ayu bisa ceritakan. Atau mau langsung diceritakan juga nggak apa-apa. Silahkan
Siap,
Ayu.
Miss. Bentar, Miss.
Ayu, ceritain aja Ayu. Atau Zara dulu mungkin.
Ini, Miss. Udah, Miss.
Oke, silahkan Ayu.
My title is Shopping with my sister. I went to the market yesterday with my sister. My mom wasn't at home yesterday, so she told my sister and me to buy vegetable in the market. My sister told me to write down any vegetable that I wanted to buy. I did it, then gave it to her. We were ready to go 10 minutes after that. My sister told me everything about things in the market. She told me which one is the fresh one of the vegetables and why did the market was crowded, and also how to bargain with the seller. I was so happy to be with my sister in the market. She told me everything until I understood how to buy something in the market. Dan nih,
Sudah? Oke. Kalian sudah mendengarkan
Miss.
cerita dari Ayu yang lain? Oke, Oke, Ayu sudah kirim di grup kelas kita ya. Thank you Ayu. Okay. Now Ayu, can you explain to us about your text? Which one is the language character? Which one is the generic structure? Maybe you can start from the generic structure. Yang mana saja orientasinya dan event dan di orientasinya mulai dari mana?
Oh,
Ya.
kalau yang orientation itu dari I went to the market yesterday until and meet to buy vegetable in the market.
Okay. Kalau eventnya?
And the event is my sister. Eventnya start. My sister told me to write down any vegetable until and also how to bargain with the seller.
Okay. Reorientation.
And reorientation, my sister until how to buy something in the market.
Oke, thank you Ayu. Yang lain juga bisa lihat ya. Jadi itu sudah benar tadi orientation, event, dan di orientation-nya. Oke. Oke. Untuk selanjutnya mungkin Ayu bisa jelaskan the language character that consists of your text. Mulai dari past tense-nya yang mana contohnya?
Kalau yang past tense-nya itu ada di kalimat pertama, I went to the market yesterday.
Oke.
Told me to down any vegetable.
Oke.
Yang ketiga, I did it, then gave it to her. We were ready to go.
Oke.
My sister told me everything. She told me which one is the first one. And she told me everything until I understood.
Oke. Thank you Ayu, that's the correct answer ya. Jadi benar tadi yang Ayu sebutkan itu merupakan past tense ya. Oke, selanjutnya the action verb. Mana yang merupakan kata kerja yang action dari teksnya Ayu?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Kata kerja ya, Miss ya?
Iya, kata kerja.
Berarti when.
Oke.
When. Terus told.
Oke.
Terus udah sih, Miss, itu.
Oke. Thank you Ayu, tadi yang when itu udah benar ya, tapi here is my correction. Action verb itu adalah verb yang itu tuh merupakan hal yang harus membuat kalian melibatkan fisik ya, aktivitas fisik ya, misalnya kayak pergi, menetap. Nah kalau misalnya seperti told itu tidak termasuk dalam action verb, tapi itu tetap bagian dari recount text. Oke, sampai sini paham Ayu?
Paham, Miss.
Oke, the last one is the conjunction. Apa aja conjunction yang ada di teksnya Ayu?
Conjunction-nya and.
Oke.
And kemudian then.
Oke.
Kemudian which.
Oke.
Kemudian udah sih, Miss.
Oke. Maybe Cynthia or Zara wanna add
Iya,
some
mungkin.
conjunction that you found on I use text, I use become text. Cynthia maybe or Zara? Nggak ada? Oke. Terakhir Ayu, the temporal sequence of your written text.
Yesterday.
Oke, yesterday. Ada lagi nggak?
And then nggak ada.
Oke. Udah benar ya, yesterday itu. Oke, thank you Ayu for sharing your written text. Selanjutnya, Zara, now it's your
Yeah,
turn.
Yes.
Silakan Zara. Zara,
Ya,
now it's your
internetnya.
turn.
Lihat nih.
Oke, silahkan.
Bentar, Miss, ada pesawat lewat.
Oke, kita tunggu Zara bentar ya, mungkin ada kesalahan teknis. Gimana Zara, udah bisa?
Miss.
Oke. Gimana Zara?
Internetnya hilang.
Oke, nggak apa-apa.
Saya Miss ya?
Iya.
Ya. My first date. Last Saturday night, my classmate Adrian came by his motorcycle at 5:30 p.m. at my home and asked my parents' permission to ask me out on a date.
Wow.
He stayed for a while and fell to my dad while waiting for me to get ready. We took off around 6 p.m. Kedengeran nggak, Miss?
Kedengeran, kedengeran. Kedengeran kok. Zara?
Ini sinyalnya. Adrian. Kedengeran sih suaranya?
Kedengeran, kedengeran.
Soalnya kuotanya udah mau habis nih.
Oke, lanjut lagi.
Adrian then took me to a noodle house for dinner. I had noodle with shrimps and he had noodle with pork. We finished our dinner rather quickly because he also want to take me to the movie theater. We arrived at the theater around 7:30 p.m. and it was very crowded. Some people came as a group, some as couple like Adrian.
Oke, Zara mungkin connection-nya buruk ya. Oke, Zara, are you okay?
Sinyalnya nih patah-patah.
Oke, it's okay. Just continue your story.
Apa tadi? He queued for the tickets while I bought some popcorns and soda. The movie started at 7:50 until 9:45 p.m. After the movie ended, Adrian took me home. My parents waited for me to come home. My parents understood and said it was fine. I was really glad and hoped Adrian will ask me out again another time. Guys.
That's a really romantic story, di context of Zara ya. Okay, now Zara, okay, udah tukar lagi Zaranya. Mungkin connectionnya is that. Gimana, bisa Zara? Are you okay? Your connection, I mean?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please. Explain your written text consists of language character and generic structure. Maybe you can start from the generic structure.
Orientation. The orientation part is from last Saturday night in paragraph 1.
Okay, in
Last
paragraph
Saturday
1.
night until 6 p.m.
Okay. What about the event?
Event is bentar. Paragraph 2 from Adria until 9:45 p.m.
Okay.
And the orientation on the last paragraph from after the movie ended until another time.
Okay, thank you Zara for sharing your experience. But here is my comment or correction-nya. Jadi untuk orientation itu tadi udah benar. It starts from last Saturday until 6 p.m. But the event, mana Zara? Oke, ini dia koneksinya buruk atau baterainya ya? Bentar ya, saya hubungi Zara dulu. Oke, Zara, are you okay? I mean, keluar masuk jaringannya ini ya, unstable ya? Oke, Miss lanjut ya. Tadi untuk eventnya itu dimulai dari Andriana then took me to a noodle house for dinner sampai pada it was too late for me to come home. My parents understood and said it was fine. Sampai situ ya untuk eventnya. Dan untuk reorientasinya itu dimulai dari I was really glad and hoped Andrian would ask me out again another time. Jadi berada di paragraf terakhir bukan berarti menjadi reorientasinya ya, tetapi bisa juga itu masih termasuk dalam event sebagian. Okay. What about the language character, Zara? Zara? Okay. Zara, can you continue to explain about the language character? Just give me one example. For each language character, mulai dari past tense and conjunction, and then temporal sequence, and last one is action verb. Past tense-nya contohnya yang mana, Zara? Atau yang lain mungkin bisa memberi contoh past tense yang terdapat di teksnya Zara. Cynthia, maybe?
Gimana, Miss?
Gimana, Miss? Itu kan Zara udah kirim teksnya di grup. Karena Zara mungkin connection-nya is unstable, mungkin Cynthia bisa bantu share the past tense itu yang mana. Satu aja contohnya untuk past tense.
Pansen itu yang last Saturday night, Miss.
Oke, last Saturday night. Karena ada kata last gitu ya.
Itu Miss.
Oke. Kalau untuk ininya mungkin temporal sequence-nya karena connection is unstable.
Yang after the movie, Miss. After the movie ended.
Oke, itu juga termasuk temporal sequence. Tadi juga last Saturday night itu juga masuk ke temporal sequence ya. Oke, selanjutnya untuk conjunction-nya. Di sini conjunction itu ada beberapa juga, mulai dari mana tadi, after, terus and. Oke, itu adalah contoh dari conjunction-nya ya. Dan untuk action verbs-nya itu, contohnya itu ada kata stayed di situ. He stayed for a while and talked to my dad while waiting for me to get ready. Oke, itu termasuk dalam action verbs-nya ya. Oke, students, thank you for sharing your contact and thank you for explaining to us about the context. Okay, that's all for activity for today. But before we end this meeting, I want to give you some homework. Maybe you can say homework. But kalian tolong meeting selanjutnya itu tolong bawa satu lagi ini ya recount text ya. Nanti kita bahas bersama. Dan sekalian kalian bikin grup ya. Kalian bikin grup terdiri dari 3 orang. Atau 2 sampai 3 orang. Nanti kalian sendiri yang tentukan ya di grup, di WhatsApp grup kelas. Silahkan kalian pilih sendiri. Oke. Jangan lupa untuk mempelajari kembali materi yang sudah disampaikan. See you on the next meeting. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to stay healthy in this COVID-19. Okay. Before we end, let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you so much. Hope you guys also can join next meeting. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.